Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Amanda Lippert and today we are showing you a legendary device first introduced in 2013. It's been very popular for the last 10 years because it is so versatile. It can switch from a laptop to a tablet with a turn of a screen. It's the Getac V110. And to help me tell you a little bit more about it, I've asked Senior Product Marketing Manager for Getac, Larry Nichols, to join me. Welcome, Larry.
Thanks, Amanda. It's great to be here.
Well, let's dive right into this. The Getac V110 is a rugged laptop with great versatility for a variety of jobs in totally different environments. Why don't you tell us a little bit about this workhorse of a machine?
I'll be happy to. This is the V110 G7, so that just came out this year, and we continually improve the product with generation after generation, but it still remains compatible with all of the accessories.
Awesome, and you've really leveled up with this generation. Talk to me about some of the features.
The Intel 12th generation core processor with Iris graphics is really a step up from generation to generation from what Intel does. And with the 12th generation processor, they've gone into a hybrid mode where you have performance cores and efficiency cores. So the scheduler inside the CPU can actually direct which tasks to run on these cores simultaneously. Very powerful.
And also, I think that you increase the light capacity on the screen, is that right?
This is 1,000 nits, so it's fully sunlight readable. Previous generations were 800 nits, and it also has LumaBond technology. What we do is we bond each layer of the display. So you have the display, you'll have the touchscreen, you'll have the Gorilla Glass, and they're optically bonded together. So you think about the strength of plywood over a standard board of the same thickness. That gives us a lot of clarity and a lot of great angles to view. In the 2.0 version, we also can modify the sensitivity of the touchscreen. So it'll work with gloves, it'll work with nitrile gloves like in EMS, and it'll work with leather gloves if you're in North Dakota in January.
And what about the batteries?
Batteries, well, we have dual hot swappable batteries. I can show you if I may. So on either side here, we have our batteries, and if you're running low on battery, you can unlock it, lift the latch. You can tell this is a very sturdy connector here with the O-rings. We pull out the battery, and the batteries actually have a fuel gauge, if you will. So you press the button and you can see whether or not the batteries are charged and put one back in. You'll also notice that the screen dimmed when I opened it up, and that just allows us to have more time if you're on low battery. So you switch one battery at a time. Same thing on this side.
That's incredible. Well, what if you have to switch networks?
Switching networks, that's pretty good. Starting off with Intel's 12th gen, we have Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, so you can connect various peripherals and work inside your own local network. We have a dual SIM option now. So we have a physical SIM, like the same thing you would have in your phone, and we also have an eSIM. Going outside, we have an option for 4G LTE as well as 5G sub-6.
Wow, Larry, the V110 is certainly unique.
Well, you look at in computing or mobile computing in particular, we have tablets and we have notebooks. What makes this unique is its convertible nature, as you demonstrated before, so you can get the benefits of a tablet as well as the benefits of a notebook, so your keyboard is always with you.
Well, and Larry, it's in use all over the world in all kinds of situations and markets, but where are some of the places we would find the V110?
Well, our number one user group is in the military, so they're using this extensively, but we're also extremely popular in public safety. And when I say public safety, I'm including patrol, as well as fire, as well as EMS or EMT or paramedics. This is the perfect machine for EMS. Years ago, most of the EMS software was written for a tablet because you're walking and working. You don't have a place to sit down and use two hands on a keyboard. However, with patient narratives, the keyboard is mostly important because you just can't put enough radio buttons and sliders and everything else to get the job done. Because it's always attached, you can't lose it, and the IT staff loves that.
What other industries might this be useful in?
Because it is so versatile with the size and the weight, we've seen it in industrial manufacturing, we've seen it in automotive. We do a lot of wonderful things with automotive, and we're seeing natural resources like forestry and mining.
Larry, what are Getac products really known for?
To start with, rugged is our business. for all of our products. And it is by design. We do quite a bit as far as our manufacturing process. From the ground up, we design the main board, we cast the magnesium alloy inner frame as well as the lid, and there's a lot that goes into it. We are rugged from the drawing board.
And what if something does happen though? Then what?
Well, that happens, right? We're in that rugged business, and you can't protect from everything. We have a standard bumper-to-bumper warranty, so complete coverage from accidental damage. We have a wonderful program that we have a FedEx Tech Connect, and they handle the shipping to and from, as well as the repair. So you have complete tracking of your device when you send it in for repair.
And tell me also about Getac's commitment to eco-solutions.
Well, as a global company, we're always very, very aware of sustainability and the environment. So we take extra care in some of the materials that we use, as well as our process, as well as recycling. It's kind of required.
That's exciting stuff, Larry. Thank you. I can see why this legendary device is really taking over. If you'd like to learn more about the Getac V110 or any of the other fantastic Getac products, follow the link on your screen and head to the website. My thanks to Larry Nichols for joining us today, and to Getac for sharing this great product with us. Until next time, I'm Amanda Lippert. Thanks for watching.